Good morning, Wolfpack. How you all doing today? So, anyways, my friends, beautiful day. It's Friday today. Last time I looked. So, anyways, let's bump this commercial off here. See, I get the commercials too. There we go. Have a look here. YouTube load there. There we go. What's going on there? Oh, yeah, it's live. Sorry, guys. So I didn't get a chance. I'm just going to post my stuff around. I'll let you guys all get situated here. And let's get this launched here. Get you guys all, let's hang out in the studio for a minute. Get the money machine warmed up here. Okay. The reason what I was doing, I had to deal with something. So we'll get you all set up here, my friends. I just wanted to tell you that this afternoon is our vet day. So I will have a link set up for that. And we're going to have a couple of people in here this morning. Right on, Wolfpack. Yeah. Look at all this love already. Love you guys. I love you guys. So. Right on. Yeah, I'm wearing a turquoise, my dog shirt. My wife got this for me. It says, my dog walks all over me. As you know how dogs are, right? My little palms that I have. So we'll pull up the chat up on the side, and we'll get. Does anybody want to go over anything this morning before we get into? That's why we're launching 20 minutes early, is to get us all set up. And I just want to say, Wolfpack, love you. Okay. So, Low Boy, 1966. Welcome to the channel, my friend. Welcome to the channel, brother. Let's go here. Let's see, did you pop up on the feed? Yeah, you did. You did, man. You did. Just want to see if you popped up on the feed there. Yes, Morales. Yes, we will. We'll jump in that 1 second, bro. I'm just going to jump over here. I'll jump in a minute here. I'm going to put the heat map up for you guys. I'll give you something to look at here. Okay. Actually, I'll do that while I'm setting up. I'll do that. I can do that. I got the capability of doing that. I am going to pull out the chats off the side for you, my friends, just so you can see this. Okay. So I'll give you guys some eye candy to look at here while I'm over there over on our software setting up. So here's what I see this morning. I'm just going to leave the heat map on here with the top gainers. This will be switching as the market's changing. Okay. So I do see a buy signal this morning for AMC. Okay. And you know what that means. We've been with us so long enough. So that means that load the boat. Okay. So I'll just leave this up there for you, my friends. And I'm going to jump over to YouTube here. And I'm just going to be working here for about 3 minutes. Oh, I want to tell you guys something. I came across some killer. Okay. I ran out of coffee creamer. Usually I have hazelnut crush, okay, in my coffee. And you can get it at the store, I think most of the time, right? So anyways, I just wanted to say that what happened this morning, I was out of coffee creamer, right? So I just haven't had a chance to go shopping. Actually, I passed out yesterday watching some TV, right? So I was going to run down. I got some vape juice and stuff. And that's another story. Holy crow, this stuff's good for vapors. We got some energy efficient stuff. But anyways, what I did was I had a package from Christmas. I had this box of what was it? Turtles, rah, rah, rah. You know that, right? Okay. It was this cocoa chocolate stuff, right? So I'm thinking, oh man, I don't have anything. So I went to my survival stuff in the back room here, and I'm thinking, oh man, I got powder milk. I got a case of powder milk here. I don't want to crack it because I'm only wanting one scoop out of it, right? So I went back to the kitchen. I'm thinking, okay, well, I don't want to go to the store. Like I was just on the server earlier and I was thinking, guys, I got to go to the store. But then I was thinking, I'm not going to run all the way to fire my truck up, warm it all up because it's still cold here, right? There's dew all over the windows, get the windows all cleaned off, fly down there just to get some creamer and then come all the way back. I'm going to be like, oh, I'm going to be flying in here right away, right? So I mixed up this stuff in there. Holy crow. Oh my God. Tim Hortons coffee with this Turtles chocolate in it. Oh my God. Oh, wow. It's like friggin' heaven in a cup. Okay. So I will jump in here. Just give me a second. I want to have to pause this. Hopefully you're going to hear maybe feedback for a second. Okay. So I will, I'm going to just get us posted around here a little bit. Okay. Like I usually do. AMC Airman, what's up, brother? I just see it on the side. I can't see. I'm just seeing the back shot of you right now. The back shot. I'm just seeing you through transparent screens, about 3 screens deep right now. I'm just on I'm just over on our sister channels here on Reddit. And I'll be back over in a minute to hang out with you guys. Oh wow, we got live. We're live over there. Wow, they got us on live feed on AMC Moonstock Party. Oh, that's cool. Right on, guys. Thank you. That's dope. Cool. I did not know. That's kind of neat. I didn't know that. I just clicked over there to see how everybody's doing over there, and they got us over there. Oh, I don't want to double post, cross post here. Shit. Okay, on AMC Moon Putty, guys over there. If I double post you, I'm sorry. I did double post. Huh. It is what it is. You guys can delete it over there if you don't want it. Sorry about that. I think I double posted. Yeah, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You guys can just, the mods over there can just take it off. I think I double clicked the button on you guys here. Good mood this morning. All of you should be. It's Friday. We got some good stuff on CS Trades coming later today. We got our mod day. Our mods are going have put together with myself. We're gonna have our vet day. Okay, it's gonna be beautiful stuff. We're gonna hear some cool stuff to do with with our vets and stuff. Just some of it. Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil the surprise. I'm just gonna let you all view it. And yeah, it's I've a couple of vets are really good friends of mine, so we're gonna get them on live. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that, and we can let you guys see the content. Okay, I'm almost done here. Here, I can change this back for you guys while I'm on it because I could do multiple screens here. I'm going to put you on AMC. We did pull down below, so I'll put that on there this morning. I'll take this auto off so we can actually zoom it. No, I want that auto back on. Then you guys can see the trend lines. Okay. So is it? Do we got a different? Oh, that is us. Okay, I got different stuff playing on the background here. Sorry about that, guys. I got like 20 things going on here. The beauty thing about software, but it's funny. Where is that site? Where did it go? Oh, I sped right past it. There it is. A little bit. I think it's this cocoa stuff I added to my coffee. I'm all like zing this morning. So I'm gonna just wired this morning. Chwanged. Schwango bangoed. Bango schwangoed. Posed 10 deep. Okay. One more thing. Gotta do. And then I'm all yours. All yours. Happy anniversary. Haha, right on. Okay, we're going to go over there to our group. CS Trades. Post. Okay, I'm all your guys's now. Oh, I got to go to Pinterest here. See, if I don't post on some of these sites, they get a hold of me the next day and they're like, well, dude, can you please try to make it your priority? Okay, I will do it. I will do it. Okay. Oh, I got to get us back on here. I just had a thumbnail I was working on. Okay, Wolfpack, I'm back. Well, that didn't take that long. I didn't forget an anniversary. Oh, Doug. Doug, I read that on the server. You're not the first one. Mr. Simpson's done that too. But Mrs. Simpson has a good hook. I'm just joking. She doesn't. No, she does actually. She has one of the best left hooks I've seen out of a lady in my life. I've seen her in full-fledged boxing. She can jump out and do a roundhouse kick above my head. She's pretty good. Pretty good. Okie doke. Okay, let's get into some stuff here. We do have a guest coming on at 1:45, so that will give us exactly almost a half an hour, half an hour or 2 minutes. I will go through the comments here in a minute and check some stuff out. And then you're getting situated. And I did Morel wanted me to look at a stock here. And I will look it up. Which one? I'll have to go back. I'm just going to speed through here. Oh, look at all the love. Oh, man, you guys are rocking this morning. Look at all these hearts. And I'm not going to go through everybody, but everybody. Oh, Ma's here. Pixie's. Oh, I'll say it. Pixie's here. Ma's here. Good morning, my love. How's my Ma doing? Hey, you guys are awesome. Awesome. Country Pride's here. Right on, buddy. You guys want some music up in the back of the house here? We can rip out some music for you guys. We can put some music in the background. We have that capability. It's up to you guys. Do you want some tunes pumping in the background a little bit? I just want it too loud. I can't tell how loud it is on this side. That's the problem. It's up to you guys. Okay, there you. MULN is going to be alive. MULN. Here we go. Boom. We got that. Oh yeah. Look at this stuff again. Some computer buying and selling here. That's exactly what that is. So it's sitting at 1.40 pre. We're down 0.143 in after hours in pre-market. Okay. This is what I've been warning you guys about. Okay, we're seeing a down pull on these stocks. Remember these stocks were hot yesterday? And I said, be careful with these ones. They go up and they crash. You're seeing it happen live. Okay. Ticker symbol SWVL Holdings is down 7% in pre. Okay. CRXT Therapeutics is down it's down 9.52%. Okay. That's that stuff. Like if you're going to get in, get out. Okay. On that stuff. You don't let that stuff sit overnight unless you're in a long play, obviously. But if you're just skimming the money off these things, which you should be, right? Not financial advice. Same as CYN Inc. Okay. Is down 8.96%. These things you don't leave sitting overnight. You get in and get the frig out, right? You guys know that. Wolfpack style. Unless you're holding this stuff long and you're into it, it's like a squeeze play or anything like that, of course you hold it long, right? But most of you guys are just wanting to make some money to buy some more AMC shares. And there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so let's get into this one. I wanted to I seen some stuff pop up on my screener there, and I just wanted to cover that stuff because I wanted to get that news out. We have 15 minutes before the market opens. You can make a decision on that. Okay, so we are pulled down below. Holy crow, look at this thing. We're getting all that barcoding again. Shit. I was hoping that wouldn't start happening to this stock, and it has. Okay. Oops, I just locked it on us. Come on. There we go. I'm going to do the 5 minute here. Pull back a bit. Yeah, we went below that trend line and we're riding it. It's having problems right. Yeah, it pulled down below. Okay. We'll see what happens when market opens. But I just showed you the heat map. So we're having that negative pull in the market right now. Okay. It is a Friday. So I just wanted to, no music. I knew Pixie was going to say that. I knew it. That's why I didn't put it on. She's like, I don't like your music. No, I'm just bugging you, Pixie. No, I know it's hard to hear, especially if you're sitting there, right? And you're quiet and, oh my God, that's good. Damn. That's really good. Good. Good morning, everybody coming in. I know a lot of you are at work right now, just stopping in, hanging out with the pack. Right on, everybody's already starting off. Tunes, please. Yeah, Doug, I will put them on in a bit. Are you listening off your phone, Doug? I just have a question for you. Because if you're listening off a computer, I can't control the volume on it. That's the problem. I can turn it down, but it comes out loud. And if you're sitting on a desktop, it's having problems hearing me. No, I have headphones on. Yeah, see, that's the problem. Her husband's probably sleeping and she has headphones on. So that's like loud. Okay. Just wanted to check everything here. Okay. So I'm going to jump off this one. Like, we're going to have to wait for the market to come up. I see a negative pull on this right away. Like, look at all these stocks. Oh, some of them are down 10, 15 now. Oh my God. Yeah, it's going to be one of these days, my friends. What's ATER? I'm just looking through the screener here. Netflix is still having, Netflix is overpriced anyways, just in my opinion. And nothing really happened with this NEGG. Yeah, it kind of didn't do nothing, hey? Yeah, there's a lot of speculation around this that it was going to have a pull. It was going to rip, but the market chooses prices. You can't tell the market what to do. Friday Green Day. I hope so. I hope so, my friend. I hope so. I hope so. I just want to go back here. Look at what was GME doing. I didn't see that. I didn't see GME on the list here. Why isn't it not on the list? Okay, what's going on? Oh, I had the wrong list up. It helps if I put the right list up there, Cameron. Sundial's in a 50% zone. It's delisted yesterday. I'm going to take this off the list. I don't even want to see that stock anymore. Why am I not getting GME up here? What is going on? What's going on here? Oh, there it is right there. It was hiding on me. So I want to have a look at GameStop for a second here, my friends. On the one. Oh, yeah, low volume. That's normal. We're just going to have to wait for this stuff to open here in 10 minutes, and we'll have a better look at it. Is it, Warren, you went out for breakfast and it's closed? Why is it closed on a Sunday? What's going on, Warren? Do. Okay, I'm sad my breakfast spot is closing down end of the month. Yeah, a lot of stuff is boring. Is it like one of those greasy spoons? I love those places, man. We got one of them. I take Mrs. Wolf there all the time. Well, I shouldn't say all the time. We used to, but we don't eat out anymore. Waffle House never closed. Your Doug. Yeah, Doug, your dog is pretty good. Good morning. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, ladies. Closing up shop. I know it's sad. Some of these really good places that we've seen just Rancho. Yeah, you guys got some cool restaurants down there. Hey, brother. Hey, man. Hey, sisters. Oh my god. Who here is coffee drinkers? Give me a thumbs up on the chat here. I'm just curious. Because some people just don't care for it, right? Like my wife doesn't, she's never been in a coffee. Yeah, she's more of she likes her wine. She's a wine drinker. A couple times a week, maybe, right? She isn't like into it heavy, but she likes her wine. She likes we got 2 coffee drinkers. I am for sure. Yes, Mr. L, look that up right now. Okay, wow. Okay, we got Yeah, Jay, we know you are. I love your coffee mug with the EMC rocket. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, I need my coffee. Yeah, Gloria's always been in the coffee. Yeah, for sure. Proud note. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, Teach. Yeah, like I think about 80% of the people drink coffee. I heard. Sanjay needs it. Wine seems to like a reasonable. Yeah, ha, yeah. Oh, she doesn't drink it in the morning. But I'm just saying, like, she doesn't drink coffee at all. Razor Tooth Razor Tooth is out of his Razor Tooth. Razor Tooth drinks coffee. Yes, he does. Tea is a simple. Teas, yeah. You're from the UK, right? Is that true that a lot of people in England drink tea over coffee? Is that true? It used to be back in the day. I know that because tea was hard to import. Any thoughts on the new rule? I did see. There's 3 discrepancies I know of. Not well. I know. I'm going to reword that. They're not discrepancies. No, there's 3 takes on it, in which that's the thing, a beauty thing about YouTube creating, right? We're gonna have to make a decision on that. I'm going to pass for one day on that. There's Stefan. I need to look more into it because I do have my opinion on it, but I'm going to. There's 2 different opinions on it, and I need to watch Bigums. Okay, Lion Trader I did watch. Pantheon I did, of course. That's just a given. I just what I want to do is I try not to put information out there off of just a speculation opinion. Sometimes my opinion, if there's other opinion on it, it will open my eyes up to some stuff, because that's the beauty thing about having different people look at stuff. There's different opinions on it, right? And we try to go with the factual information on stuff. So that's what it is. I don't want to make a speculation, because a little bit of it would be speculating. Okay. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to put information out there to speculation. I want the factual information on it. Okay. Yeah, I definitely want to look at their take on this, right? They're seasoned into this stuff too. And yeah, because we got a substantial amount of followers, and I just don't like doing that. Okay. To you guys. So, Mr. L, you want me to look that? Is that a ticker symbol? Okay, we're open in 5 minutes. I'm more of a margarita. What? Is that cheesecake? Is that, I can't read it. I love cheesecake. Oh, wow. You're definitely a Mexican girl. You're going to have to hang out with us. Best with homemade cream. Yes, it is, Beth. Yes, it is. It is. Yes. You're making all of us hungry. Oh, and I haven't even had my breakfast. Haha, beat me to it. Okay, so what was that again? V. And I didn't listen to Sundial, so I'm a little bit more alert. I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. Like it's been months and this stuff's too good. It messed me up. Like I was like a slug for the day afterwards. I know I'm a rookie, but like I used to indulge like multiple times a day. And Cam, can you look? Whoa, up 106% pre. This might just smash a breaker as soon as she goes. We'll keep an eye on this. This is on top. Thank you, Mr. L. I appreciate that on the watch list. Slug bug. I've never heard about that. The slug bug. That's funny as heck there, Christopher. The one thing that I call the Volkswagen, the slug bug. That's funny as heck. Cornish patties. I've never had that. I've never heard of that before, though, brother. What's that made out of? What is that? Marijuana cheesecake. Really, Sanjay? We're gonna have you baking and down in Mexico. Definitely. I want to try that out. We're gonna have to hit some a la carte. Bimbo. You got often become intolerant. Yeah. I was tolerant to it before. It wouldn't even affect me. It's like a meat-filled pastry. Okay. Oh, they made something up. It's up in 100 Mile House. It's down. It's probably about a 5-hour drive from here. It made not me baking from Amsterdam. Okay, that's one place I want to go is Amsterdam. I want to go Bob Marley. There's a place, a Bob Marley cafe over there. I would love to go to that. I want one of those jackets. There's a jean jacket that you can get. A buddy of mine has it, and you've opened it up, and it has official picture of Bob Marley. Signed, but it's not. Obviously, it's a reprint, right? But Boston. Oh, that's so it's like a samosas almost, Sanjay, right? I'm seeing my keyboard again. I gotta set the light up in it again because it dies. Like you push on it and then it dies like within a second. 19. My size? That's friggin' hilarious, dude. That is friggin' hilarious. Hey, buddies. Hey, Jay. How you doing, my friend? I love chatting food. You're gonna have me, so I'm gonna have to go and take a break here when our guests come on. I don't. I have to. Like I said, I've been Easter Beast. Yeah, dude. Wow, there's a lot of people that haven't seen, coming in and saying hi. That's awesome, man. It's Friday, right? There's no lag on YouTube for some reason. We got the stream keys perfectly set. McDonald's. Is that what that is? Well, are you eating healthy there with the water there, Mr. L? That was funny. Okay, come on, market right now. Right now. Boom. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm going to watch this. I'm going to put it on. I'm watching AMC, but I want to put it on this. I want to see this thing. Okay, we're open right now. This thing might halt right now. No, it's not ripping out of the gate. It's not. Market's. What is going on? Do I have a freeze going on here? No. Holy crow. The market just is stopped. What the heck? It's not my stock screener, is it? It has to be. Something's frozen here. No, here we go. No, that's weird. That is, what's the SPY sitting at? Oh, yeah, the market's slow. Holy crow. It's snailed today. We've got a snail market today. We got a snail market. I got it, Mr. L. I got it right here, bud. It's slow. Everything's slow. Wow. Look at this. It's going to be one of those days, my friends. This has to be frozen. No, it's not. It's not. Yeah, it's Friday. It's exactly, Jay. It's Friday. That's exactly what it is. It's just a Friday. And I got stock screener problems here, man. Fucker. Yeah, it's frozen. Yeah, for some reason it's frozen. Yeah. Just give me a second. I'm just going to pull this off for a second here. It's weird. I'm going to have to shut this. I'm just going to shut down the software here for a second and reboot it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to share this guys with you. Look at that. That's my back screen. There we go. Yeah, it was frozen. I knew there was something wrong. Wasn't that cool, that back picture? I get those every morning on different. Those are. Okay, thanks, guys. Yeah, the market is getting schwacked. Except this one's going pretty good. She's bouncing. Oh, she's starting to have a little bit of a sell-off. There's a lot of day traders jumping on that, baby. Baby. Facebook is up 1.80. What's AMC doing here? AMC. Ooh, my HYMC is it's not doing good. Plug is up barely. It's up. AMC. There we go. So AMC came out of the gate in the green. GME in the gate out of the green. So AMC's at 1718, 1.90, and climbing 2.2, 2%, 2% in the house. GME's at 1.34. DigiWorld is 4.74%. In the green, it's 39.78. That stock's holding up though, right? I thought I just have my own opinion. I thought it was going to go back to go down to like $10, $15, but it is what it is. AMC, I wanted to load up. As soon as Mrs. Wolf comes back from Alaska, yeah, I think I might load up. We'll talk. What did I pull off the screen here? I double clicked this morning. So do you I thought I'm just gonna pull this up here for you, buddy. My dog's off by 50 cents. Hey Warren, how's your pop? I'll pull that up just so Warren can see it. Every time I buy it, tanks. Oh, Gloria, yeah. You're not the only one. You're not the only one. The SPY is right now. The SPY is it's gaining a little bit of volume. It's still down a bit, but it came out with some volume compared to. But she's having a bit of a pull right now. It's just it's still got a little bit. It's above the VWAP though. Let's go on the 5 for that. Oh yeah, she's red. Yeah, everything's going down, my friends. Facebook's gained a little bit of speed though. It's sitting at 192. It's at 2.26 in the green. Yeah. Yes, Brad. Yeah. I know. I was thinking the same thing because I want to load up, right? I want to load up, and there's a lot of you do. What the heck is this? Best followers, prime viewers. What do we got here? We got a bot here. Yeah. You guys want to wipe that off of Twitch, please? Take that, vaporize that thing. You guys probably can't see it. Oh, okay, it's only a restream. Don't worry about it. It is coming from our Twitch server. I just vaporized it myself. Poof! Gonski. Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. How's my bro doing? Time is it? 10 more minutes, eh? I'm just going through comments. Load the boat. The boat, the boat, the boat. TW. TW, TW. There we go. I was looking for that. Twitter? Yeah, I'll check out Twitsky. Thanks, Mr. L. We're on the 5. I'm going to put it back on the 1 here. We were on the 5 there, just so you guys know. Oh, yeah, she's getting a little bit of movement. Little bit. Yeah, Twitter's just one of those things. I'm going to actually do a pullback on this. I'm just curious for myself. It's still holding, though. It's still holding. Like it trades in the same area, I've noticed. It just kind of goes up and down in the same channel. Wow, look at the stock. Look at the market. Look at how fast everything's changing right now, my friends. There's uncertainty for sure. Look how fast everything's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Here we go. NEGG. NEGG is up. It's back up into this channel again. She punched through the line. Remember yesterday we were watching this thing? Still pretty low in volume though. Yeah, these are only $2,000 hits. Yeah, they're 2,000. It's still low volume, but it's moving it slowly. Netflix is back in the green again. So there's a lot of people that are going to jump on Netflix right now. Oh, sorry, my friends. My neck just did a weird pop thing. Did you buy into that, Doug? Did you? Anybody looking for a dog? Were you getting rid of that dog? Yeah. The guy's got a lot of pull for sure. Bullshit. Yeah. Dana Young. Yeah. Hey, if it goes down that low, I would love that. Sorry, my friends, but like I said, that will give us all a chance to reload. Hey, if it goes down that level, I'm not gonna. If anything, I'm gonna have to wait. How long is she gone for? She leaves next week on the cruise. She's gone for 10 days. So yeah, it will be 15 days. We'll see what it looks like in 15 days, and then the wife says I can mess around with my retirement account, my trader's retirement account. So I sit down with her. I never used to, but I started doing that lately, sitting down. She's trying to get involved in the market more, right? So I'm explaining it to her, and she's she used to just go by names. She's so cute. Blackberry. She goes, that's an awesome name. I put $5,000 on that. So I bought her $5,000 of Blackberry back in the day. Oh man, she's funny. I don't have to pimp anymore. Gloria the pimp. Pimp, pimp, pimp. AAL. American Airlines. You see that I'm into Air Canada. I'm gonna check this one. They don't pay a dividend royalty, do they? No, they don't. Most airlines don't. Right now, anyways. A lot of that stuff's been taken away. VLON has dropped 15%. It's still at 100% increase on that. I would watch that. I wouldn't be jumping into that right now because that should have been done pre-market. Just watching the screener. The friggin' things are moving. They're moving, but they're moving in the wrong way. A lot of it. Wow. See. Sorry, my friends. I'm just looking at this screener. I'm watching the fucking algorithms moving. That's crazy. They're all out of sync. They're all going sideways here. Jeffrey? Did you see? Oh, Jeffrey's there. Oh, okay. Jeffrey's got some info here. And Jeffrey will be on right in a minute. He's just at work right now, clearing some things up. He'll be on in a minute here. There you go. He's watching his stocks right now. And Jeffrey is going to be coming on and teaching a bunch of stuff. Oops. Sorry, I tried clicking on that, Warren, and you disappeared. You guys are awesome. My wife hates what? My wife hates them. Oh, a lot of wives do. A lot of wives do. A lot. Trust me. Mine gets mad at me sometimes. She was mad at me over the EMC thing when it was up over 100. It was 160,000 in her account, and it's down quite a bit, right? But it is what it is, right? She's she was pissed at me. Hey, brother, how you doing, man? How you doing, bud? You're looking good today. Wow, that's good coffee. A couple more minutes, Jeff can get on here, and I was close to being the worker. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. BMO. Whoops. Okay. I'll let your comments go up here. Just going to read one more here because I can't see it. Yeah, it didn't sell. I did the same thing. I wish I would have sold and rebought back in, but it is what it is. It is. I don't really care, right? I wouldn't. It's extra money anyways. I don't put money in that I can't recover. Getting ready for my chemotherapy run late. Okay, brother. Right on. Just keep us up to date on all that stuff, man. I really appreciate it. Sun Mother Dial. And don't even get me going on Sundial. Where's Sandalage? Got too many stocks on here. I just gotta go slow. Slow. I gotta re-add it to this list. It was on our watch list. It is. Oh yeah, it's up 2 cents almost. It's up 2.67%. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this off here. I'm going to go into. I'm just gonna look at some stuff behind the scenes here, my friends. I'm just gonna check our short squeeze list out. Anything's moving here. BBIG is up is at 2.37, 1.28%. Highcroft is pretty much just par. It's like fractional above. Plug. Who's anybody in a plug still? Just give me a thumbs up. Let me pull this one. Clove is up. Fuck, this thing's it'll never get its day. I hope so for you guys. There's a lot of people holding this still because of that one issue that we had. Damn. But there's a lot of good stuff about this. This stuff. I have a plug in my tire. I think we all do, dude. I got a couple in my truck tire. Those are illegal in Canada actually to have those in there, but I don't really care. Look at that money print. Just money print. I need one of those soundboards so I can do the money printer for you guys. I'm working on it. We're getting one. Oh, we just hit par on that. Good old Sundial. Come on, baby, go up. Okay. Where is AMC? I had too many friggin' stocks on here, Come on, AMC. Do something. Oh, yeah. We're just sitting consolidating right now. It's up 2%, though. GameStop took a downshift a bit. It's consolidating. Let's have a look. Yeah, exactly what it's doing. Low volume. Low volume. Soundboard playing now. It's a beautiful sound. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, the money planter going for sure. I can't read what you're saying, girl. I'm afraid to even pull this up sometimes. I'm just fucking yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. Do you know if Melvin Capital? I read something this morning on the. I don't. I read something on the server this morning on that. It's early in the morning. I haven't seen anything yet on that. I was looking into that, and I'm just going to pull some news up here on AMC. Just give me a second. How the interest inflation higher on the interest rate 18 hours ago. No new news. This isn't the best news source either. AMC's analysts set to rebound into this pattern. AMC mobile app now lets you buy tickets using Dogecoin and SHIB 6 days ago. AMC app, did you hear that, my friends? AMC app, mobile app now lets you buy tickets using Dogecoin and Shiba. Actually, I'm going to look into that. Okay. Adam Aaron. Update. Who has this app? Do you guys have this app? He's done a pretty good job at designing this app for sure. H3 Apple Play, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. Oh, he's got this happening. Thanks to BitPay. Okay. And other currencies. To do so, and you first need to update the latest version of the app. Okay, guys, you got to update that first. It's saying right on there to get the newest form. Ticker snap. Okay, Mr. L, I'm on it. Just give me a second, my friends. I'm just curious about this. According to payments of AMC web client, roughly about 14% of all movies transactions. Oh, I'd say it's happening. I wonder if you get a deal on any of this stuff. You do. You get rewards for AMC shareholders. Okay, whoa. Okay, what's this? AMC has launched the new NFT collectibles wax blockchain, both in tandem with Spider-Man No Way Home, and also as a reward for AMC shareholders. There you guys go. Bango schwango. AMC released Batman NTFs and Bomb and Spider sidechain scaling solution for Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH as well. Dogecoin was down in the last 24 hours. Hey, man, it all helps, right? It is what it is. He said he was going to do it. He did it. Okay, I'll take that off there. Okay, we'll get back on the charts again. I just wanted to cover that news for you guys, just because I know a lot of you are watching movies and stuff lately. Some good movies coming out in the next month. It's different in Canada for us. We do get the same stuff. Like I said, we don't have any AMC theaters up here in BC. They use what is it? Colossus. They have a Colossus up here. It's pretty cool. It's good morning, brother. Okay, so I'm gonna jump on Good morning, my friend. Oh my God, here we go again. You just had to wind her up again, guys. You just had to get her going. It's first thing in the morning, and you just had to get the ladies all wound up on the channel, guys. Oh my God. That's not for the afternoon show. Okay, you guys got them all going. Stock Whiz is in the house. No options in May. I I was just looking into that the other day. I'll have to look on the options. Just give me a second here. You were talking on AMC, right? Their Stock Whiz. I forgot to ask you that. Is that what you're talking about, bud? Yeah, the channel's getting an X-rated. Yeah, we're gonna have to up it to the X-rated version. You guys are starting earlier and earlier every morning. I'm gonna hang on with you. What does that mean for the play? It could be possibly good. Okay. Put this back on the chart. We're missing stuff here, my friend. It's up 3.50 AMC. It's climbing right now. This is on the 1 minute time frame. Yes, of course, AMC. Okay, Stock. I don't know. You're in a lot of things there, brother. I'm going to change my emoji. Is that what you're saying? No kidding. Pay attention to the spy. Yeah, that's right, buddy. That's right. That's the first thing I look at the spy in the mornings. Oh. Oh. All the girls are glad. Look at. Hey, Megan, how you doing? I seen you on Instagram the other day. I followed you on Instagram. I think it was Instagram. I have so many platforms. I seen you on there. I think I followed you. Twitter. Are you into Twitter, brother? Miss Harris, did you get your name changed? Or your avatar? Did you change your avatar? That's not Miss Harris. That's not Miss Harris. I've been saying this all along. You have, bro. Oh. Sorry, I didn't mean to click on that. I've been saying this for a long time. Options are not, or what causing this thing to not to squeeze. So finally, the variables Bango Schwango. Hampton Beach, baby. There she is. She's up. She's up. She's up. Did you have a good morning? Did you get the kids off to school? All the good stuff? Where do you sign up? Party time. The money printers run. Sorry for what? What'd you do now? I went to click the other one. No, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Kids come first. Okay. Jeffrey, what are you doing? What you doing, bro? He's at work. Gonna need a private yacht. Oh, we're gonna have more than that. We're gonna have more than that, my friends. What's Gloria going? Sorry, Gloria, I'm trying to click on you here. New Hampshire, Conway, New Hampshire. Yeah, I love tubing. I love tubing. It reminds me of like childhood stuff. I like that. What's that park called in Mexico where you can go tubing down the channel and stuff? I'm just okay. Mullen went back up, guys. There she's going. She's on a little bit of a go here. A little bit of a go. It was uncertain here though. We got volume pumping in here. Oh yeah, we do have quite a bit of volume coming in right now. We got over $500,000 chunks on the 1 minute. That's it. Rio Grande. There's a place that you can just go around and it's the whole day. You can just tube down this channel and everything. It's beautiful. I forget what it's called. I didn't do it, but the kids went there. Why didn't I do it? I was hungover. That's right. And I had a smashing freaking headache. Smashing headache. I don't know what it was. I got too much sun or something. Oh, right, Ray, we're gonna have. Oh man, yeah, the girls pretty much are running the whole trip now. It looks like it is what it is. Is what it is. Clock, how's your day at work going, brother? Are you driving your forklift around, man? Talking to us again? Oh man, you're awesome. There it is. Thank you. Yes, it is called that. Thank you so much. Yes. La tuba. I like your humor. That's awesome. It's called La tuba. You're funny. Isn't the water disappearing? I know what you're talking about. Charlie B. You guys are a crazy, crazy bunch. Crazy bunch. Glock, do you have a motorcycle? And what Christy does? Christy has a Harley. Okay. Okay, what's it's going back down again? New egg. N egg. It's gone up. It's up 5% right now. Oh yeah, we are. Right, we are. Trust me. Trust me. That's all. It's gonna be a very simple life. Trust me. It's gonna. And that's just sinking. Ouch. Do 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 do. I'm trying. I got to fill my vapor up. Okay. The bots are out today. I will probably buy a house near the beach. Right, Dan? You guys are funny. Yeah, I know. It's all good. It's good. Twitter's giving her. Thanks, Jeffrey. Oh yeah, it is. Holy crow! Look at it. It's up. It's up. It's up 4%, 4.5%. She's going. She's going. Same as my size. Ticker symbol MYSZ. Twitter, Twitter, Twitter. Right on. Yeah, this is fast feed. I like this restream here, guys. It's really working. It's fast. There's no lag. Oops, sorry. I clicked the wrong thing on here. I went Twitter, Twitter, Twitter. Elton John bump Twitter. Elton got a bump Twitter. Okay, sorry, I read that wrong. Yeah, Kim. Yes, you can make a lot of people money. Can Boston? I can't. I don't. Or no, I don't have the right access to do that, buddy. I don't. My stock screener doesn't have that access, dude. I don't. I can't check forex stocks or anything like that. Even crypto from different market, unless it's on the Canadian or New York. Elton? That's what I call him. That's what I call him. Elon. Elton? Who's Elton? I call him that. It's Elon. Okay, come on. Sorry, I have to pull this up, Dougie. I can't read it. Oh. Okay. We got the most beautiful women on this channel. All of you ladies. It's like they all gravitate towards together. Oh. Mr. Jeffries in the house. What's up, brother? Brett's up. Oh, he's probably on a phone call again. We'll just let him get him together. He always does. That always happens to him because he's working full time, right? Just give me a second. Oops. Sorry, Christy. Who's Elton? I call him that. It's a nickname. Elon. Who's Elton? I just call him that. You know, you make nicknames for people. I don't know. I've always called him that. Stay strong. 4. American Airlines is up too. Oh, I wanted to talk to you about Elton John. Yes, exactly. That's right, Sanjay. Yes, you got it. I was waiting for somebody to pick up that. Does Elton know? No, he doesn't. Does Elon know? Nope, he doesn't. There he
Good
is.
morning.
Good morning, my brother.
How are you guys doing?
I'm doing awesome, man. I'm doing awesome. Um, I'm just looking at American Airlines here. I was just watching it because I'm in the Canadian Airlines, and I bought at a good time. I bought when the CV-19 first happened.
Yeah. Oh, good.
So I just going to pull something up here. Doug's posting here. I can't read it. Melvin Cup closed their doors in June. Is this just FUD? Would you hear about this?
What happened? I have to bring it up here. I can't read that.
Yeah, not a problem, buddy. Not a problem. Would you hear about that? Because that's been
So,
the morning.
yeah, they're supposed to be closing their doors and giving everybody back the money that whatever they lost.
Invested in, right?
Yeah, and then a lot of people are thinking that it has to do with the this new proposed rule that's gonna possibly
Effect
go
coming
into
effect.
effect.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I don't know. I haven't actually had a chance to go through the ruling. Everybody, it seems like you click on one guy, he says one thing.
Yes. There's
Click
three
on
different
another guy.
opinions right now floating around.
So I'm gonna have to dive into it myself and see what I can find out because
It's a big section, man. There's a lot of little ones. There's a lot of it's one ruling, but there's a lot of key factors in it. It's not just a one cut and dry. You know what I mean? There's a lot of
yeah,
there's a lot of sections into it.
yeah,
Oh, you're
yeah.
getting some love
American
here.
Airlines looks
Oh, your girlfriends are all saying hi. Your celebrities
yeah.
here. I shouldn't say that because your wife. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm
I got
joking.
a yeah. American Airlines looks pretty decent. I'm trying to look right now.
Yeah, the American airline. What I was saying about the Canadian one is I bought when it was in a low. These aviation sectors are going to go back up, same as the cruise lines and stuff. But like I said, not financially. Wait for the fire sales on this stuff, my friends. Wait until these things crash. They're going to hit bottom. Okay.
Yeah, I think once it hits, if it gets to 2145 and it has enough pressure to go through, but I think it's gonna,
Go back down again.
yeah, I think probably it'll get to 22 at the most if it keeps on with the volume and buying pressure, it'll hit 22, but it'll resist there. That's what I'm saying. I mean, I'm just a guy on this guy's YouTube channel.
Sorry, what's that? Sorry.
I said that's just what I'm seeing. I'm just a guy on this your
Oh no,
YouTube
dude, it's all
channel.
good. That's why we bring you on here, buddy. It's all good, man. You're getting just shouted out huge here, man.
I mean, if it can right now, it's bouncing off the 13 EMA
Okay.
on the 5 minutes. So if it
I'll put the five on for you
keeps
guys.
going up, if it keeps going up, see, they don't see what I'm talking about because you don't have
I know on the
your
chart. We're
EMA
gonna get
lines
that.
on there.
I know what we're gonna do is we're gonna configure that this weekend. Me and you are gonna do some work on this stock screener here, buddy, and get it set up. It's set up totally for a different type of trading. I can
So
open two different accounts, and that's what we'll do. We'll set it up for two different ways, so it can be set up for day trading, right?
yeah, yeah. Actually, it just broke through the 13. Let me go to the 15.
So I'm gonna pull
Or
up
the
Chris.
30.
It's okay. Don't worry about it, buddy. I'm just trying to bring up the stock that Christie's got me. Look, I T ITQ. Okay. Moving image technology. Oh yeah, it's up 33%. It's having a little bit of a pull
What
down.
is it? What is it?
It's ticker symbol MITQ. Looks like they got a quarter earnings. Something's going on here. Oh, it's a top five watch for Friday from Benzinga. Benzinga. So his
Yeah,
top.
that doesn't mean nothing.
No, I know, of course. of course, he's got Twitter, Amazon, GPS, and VLON, and
Uh,
yeah, they're just like, and my friends, I want to tell you one thing right now. With that stuff, not financial advice, but don't be buying into that stuff just of what somebody says. Okay, like you can screw
yeah,
yourself.
look at this stock, guys. I mean, this stock has when it came in back in what is
Small
that?
flow. Holy shit, that's small.
It came in at $28. It I paid at $28, and it's done nothing but go down ever since.
Yeah, look at 27, 28 in the 1 year. Yes, I know. See, that's what and it's new. You said it's just the profile. Sorry. It is too. Holy shit. So that's what I mentioned before when these stocks, these people, these CEOs put them at a certain price, it doesn't mean it's worth that. The market will find what it's worth. Okay. You can't tell the market what to do. The market will find its own price for this stuff. It's like that for every stock. It's only worth what the market says it's worth, right?
Yeah, it's I mean it's done nothing but drop ever since it I paid.
You're in on it, Jeffrey, and you're just waiting to get
No,
out of it. Oh,
no,
you jumped out?
I'm just looking at what I see.
Oh,
I,
okay.
I mean, and honestly, from the daily or no, from the 30-minute, even the let me see here. Yeah, I don't know if I would even play with this one
I'd stay away from it.
unless it's got good news. I don't know. I haven't seen the news.
Yeah, but it's going to have to take a lot to it would have to take a lot to go back to that level. Like that's
Oh, okay.
thousands and thousands of percent, man. Like, you know what I mean? Like
Well,
that's
hold on. So they are partnering with esports.
yeah, but that yeah. But you know as good as me that it's going to take a lot to run that back up to 27. Like that's a lot,
Well, yeah,
right?
it'll take a lot to run it back up to 27, but it may go up. It may go up in the short term just because of this news. But
Yeah.
I don't know that it'll sustain it just off of that news. I mean, it probably would have to come down to it would have to come down to whether or not it can get profitability on that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's one to maybe watch, but I don't know. Like I said, it might run up in the short term just due to the news.
Yeah.
Who was asking about that?
Oh, just Mr. L. Mr. L was what we're on it right now. He was just asking about it. You're just educating people on the news on it right now. I
Oh,
just put it up
he's
just so you everybody knew what we were talking about, right?
right.
Um, so yeah, Jeffrey, we're
Yeah,
gonna
on the 4 hour, it did cross the 1348 crossed, and it's right at the 200 EMA. So
yeah,
if it keeps the volume and keeps the momentum, I mean, if it gets past 158, 160, about
yeah,
160 with the momentum, it could go, but otherwise, it's getting stopped out at the 200 EMA. Like I said, if you're looking, I mean, for me, I use the 200 EMA as my support and resistance
yeah,
because if you look at it, you could almost you could almost look at any stock on like the 4 hour chart,
yeah,
and if the 13 and the 48 EMA are below the 200 EMA, as soon as they tap it, they drop back down. Or if they're above,
yeah.
then as soon as they tap that, they go back up. So it's just a support and resistance for me.
Did you wanna a stock that you want to just go? I'm gonna go and grab some coffee. I'm gonna give this mic to you, bro. I'm just gonna go warm my coffee up here.
Hold
Did you
on, let
want
me
to
see if I can.
Yeah, I'll let
want
you
to
pick
see if,
something you want to talk about, and I'll throw it up on the screen for you, brother.
yeah, I mean, I don't have anything
Okay, it's all
that
good.
really I'm looking at, but if
Yeah,
somebody
I
else
can.
has something,
Yeah, you guys want to? Oh, Sundial's up 4.29 percent. I'm just gonna go through here
yeah, I think there was some news
with
with the
Sundial.
weed ETFs because Pot X, the cannabis ETF, it
Yeah,
was up like it was up like 14% in pre-market, but it's since dropped. So I don't know if it was news or something that came out. I don't really keep up with
the new. Yeah,
the cannabis stocks just because they're kind of they're kind of in a holding pattern until all the legal and government battles are over with. But once they're over with, I'm sure that they'll probably spike up.
here we
See,
got a ticker
Mr.
symbol
Elsa's
right here. I got it. I got it.
SIPP.
I got her for you, brother. I got her for you. SI. And I'm gonna leave this on the screen for you, and I'm just gonna go make some more of this. Okay. Do you know any? Oh, it's up. It's 569.
Yeah,
It's three
because their earnings. This is an
earnings.
earnings rise. They beat
Oh
they
yeah, right
beat
here.
on their EPS
Bullish, big time bullish right now.
because the estimate was
Oh
$5
wow,
and 66 cents, and they beat it by $2.30 almost.
that's not bad actually. Really,
So yeah,
10% increase from the previous target of eight
whoops.
something. Here, I'll pull this off, buddy. I'm just gonna leave this on the chair. I'm gonna go grab. I'm gonna go warm my coffee up, man. Um,
All right, let me see. Go to the 1 hour.
yeah, just I'll throw it on the one. Do you want it on the 1 hour here?
No, I'm looking at it from mine because I can't see on that
Okay,
one because
yeah,
I
I know.
can't see the lines.
Okay, buddy, I'll be back in a minute. I'm just gonna take my.
Yeah, with that news, I mean, it jumped up over the. Look at the daily. It's still under the 200 EMA right now, so it's gonna have to continue its momentum. I mean, it's got volume. It crossed on the MACD on the daily, so if it can keep its momentum, let me see here. It's kind of leveled out though since the bell rang. The volume kind of evened out, so it's not really. I don't know that was just an earnings pump. I think. I mean, it may be a good long term. Um, Doug, I think Ader has it's got issues. Just it's one of the meme. It's in the meme basket, and until everything gets taken care of with Wall Street in general, um, then it's going to have its pumps and it's going to have its. Let me see here for short term where I think it could possibly go. I know it definitely has to try to get back up to $5. If it can't get back up to $5, then it's going to end up falling. And yeah, see, it's losing its volume right now, so it's going to have to get some volume push, or it's probably just gonna barcode today, or it could even drop if it ends up losing this 450 level. it's gonna drop down to like the about $4, right around $4, 4.15.
What stock are you on there? Still on SI and VB?
Hater.
Oh, hater. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, if it can't hold where it's at right now, if it doesn't get any more buying
Holy
pressure
shit.
coming in, because if you look on the MACD,
Oh
the
no, volume. Oh, wrong one.
the thing looks. I mean, it's basically just parallel. It's just running like that. I guess I'm going the wrong way, huh? It's running like that. Sorry, I don't know if
No,
I'm mirrored or something.
no, it's all good. It's all
Um,
good, buddy.
but yeah, it's losing its buying pressure. So unless some buying volume comes back in, it's probably just going to either stagnate right here all day, or if the bears come in, it'll drop down. It's going to go to at least $4, probably around the 380 range, actually. Yeah, Doug, I did look at neg. The only problem I have with neg is it's under the 200 EMA, and it keeps getting pounded down by the 48 EMA.
It's riding
So
that line right now too. Holy shit! It's gonna pull under.
let me get back to neg real quick.
Yeah, not a problem. I got it on here right now. Um, that's cool. You got your tablet running, man. Sweet. Yeah, we got a
Yeah.
sell volume of 1,200.
All right. So
People are
on the
selling them.
1 hour, it did break through the 48 EMA. Let's jump to the 4 hour now. Yeah. See, right now, Doug, it just got rejected from the 200 EMA. So it looks like it's getting some buying volume coming in, but unless it's enough to break through that 200 EMA at around, let me see here, about 663, 664, then it's just gonna keep on bouncing. It'll get up to around 640, 660, and then it'll bounce back down until it gets enough buying pressure to jump
Bounce.
through.
Yeah.
And then once it does that, um, this is actually a stock that I had back in like February and March, I believe. It was running back when all those other stocks were running, and then obviously it lost everything.
What
So
was it? What was the high on this one? Oh, she was up to $70 at one time, man. Last year,
yeah,
$79.
it got up there,
Holy
and then like I said, it's
Jesus.
just been on a down slope.
Has it ever? Holy shit. Pardon my language, but wow. Wow, there's a lot of bag holders there, man.
Yeah,
Wow, that's scary, man.
it's the same with all of the stocks that you could put into the
Mean
quote
thing.
unquote mean category.
Yeah, buddy, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. That one went good. Wow.
We'll see. Yeah, see,
Yeah, you're right there.
it pumped back in what, July, June,
Yeah, yeah.
just like
Yeah.
yeah, just like all the other memes did. You know,
There's all that money coming in the market from the CERB and stimulus. CERB up in Canada, like you know what I mean?
well, it had to do with, I believe, and I mean, I kind of subscribe to the Boss Blunt's theory about the executive orders,
Yeah.
because it's just funny how a lot of
It all
the
went.
uh, a lot of the meme stocks ran around the same
Every one
time,
of them. Every one of them, man.
and it just so happened to be during the time that the executive orders were, well, they had just signed to extend it, and then
Mm-hmm.
this one ran. So it was kind of like an after effect of it, but I still believe that, yeah, it's in the same category. So it'll have its time. Like when I mean, the way I look at it is, you see these stocks in 1 month, one of them runs up, and then it drops back down. Then the next month, something else runs up, and
That's right.
like AMC and GME are honestly the only two that are kind of in tandem. They usually, if one of them runs up big, the other one's going to run up
It
at
does.
least at least halfway as much as the other one did. And
That's right, buddy.
none of the other ones do. But that's because they're the top five hedge funds that own AMC and GME. Or they own both. So that's the reason why they both correlate together.
No. I think we got to freeze up on the chat there, Doug. That's what's happening. Oh, here we go. We just had to freeze up on the chat.
All I'm seeing is Doug.
Yeah, it's coming.
I don't
Mr. L
see
just said,
anybody else.
yeah,
Is anybody? Oh, there's Mr. L.
yeah. It just, we had to freeze up on YouTube. That's what happened.
Oh, I got you.
There we go. PHUN. I haven't heard that in a long time. I'll pull that up, man, for sure.
What is it?
Fun.
Fun,
Yeah. PHUN.
fun, and what is the other one? CFVI.
Yeah.
Anything that has to do with because I saw what was it? DWAC was running up too.
Yeah. This one
So
stock,
anything that's
6% raise.
well, it's
Small
mm,
float too. Small float.
yeah, it's a small float, but hold on real quick.
He was up at $24 too. This is a meme one, obviously. This ran with them, obviously. Hey.
Yeah, because they're all connected to um dang, I can't even think of his name. Thinking president. Um, man, my brain is gone right now.
I almost spit my coffee all over the place, Jeffrey. That was funny.
You what?
I almost spit my coffee all over the place
Oh
when you said that. That's like me smoking too much sundial the other day. I just went live from market here. I
no,
was
I.
like, oh man, I'm not doing that again.
There we go. Thank you, Christy. Trump. Yeah, they're all related to Trump. Fun, CFVI, DWAC, and I think Mark, because Mark is the holding company, or they have to do with
DigiWorld, yeah.
their uh, housekeeping for their hotels. So it
Yeah.
even ran when DWAC ran.
Okay.
But this one right here, Fun, is
Put it on the 1
it's
minute here.
trying to break above the 200 EMA right now. If it can get some, it lost a bunch of volume.
Yeah, I was just
And
looking at that.
and the MACD is about to cross back down. It's curled
Yeah,
over right now.
it is
So
up here crossed over. It's gonna
unless it gets some volume coming back in, it's
tank.
probably just gonna drop back down.
Yeah, I see the same thing as you, bud. I seen it cross over right here in this area,
And
and
it's
then
probably gonna drop down to, I
who
mean,
knows?
it could continue to barcode between $2 and
Would
$1.80.
you, Jeffrey? Would you figure the barcoding? Because I've been doing a lot of research into that. What's your take on the barcoding? I think it's just computer generated crap. To
Yeah,
do
it's
with
just the algos. It's just the algos, and I mean, Lou was right. It's just one algo, or one hedge fund selling some stocks and one hedge fund buying some stocks. So it makes it look like it's staying even. And it's just one way for them to just move stocks from back and forth.
Yes, I think
not,
it's high
and
frequency
nothing happens
trading.
to the price.
That's right. That's right. I think it's speed trading back and forth. That's what I think
Yeah.
it is. Like so fast that it just jams the algorithm, right? At that
Hey,
level.
hold on, I gotta take this call real quick.
Yes, go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead, brother. It's all yours. What a nice guy coming on here, working full time. Guy's running a business full time. Wow. What a dedicated man. Spends time in church all the time and then coming on here. And I don't know how he does it. I have no how then he spends time with his family. Getting a little bit of volume back in here again though. I'm gonna blow this up so you guys can see that on the chart. Yeah, you can see that. Low volume in here today though for selling. It's getting a negative pull. It's up 90 something percent though. There we go. There, the volume just shifted back into green. Thanks, Christy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Trump. Look up low. DWAC. I got that on my chart somewhere. And then we're gonna wrap her pretty soon, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Was it 6:30? We went on an hour and a half. Just give me a second. I'll look it up a stock in a second. I just want to check something here. Doot. Okay. Pharmaceuticals. I just want to have a look at this for 1 second, and then I'll go check that DWAC out. DigiWorld. This one's overturned 1,465. That's crazy. Oh, look how small the float is. That is really small. Oh yeah, they could pump the shit out of this one. The high of a 10. Well, it's hundreds of it's getting still 1,000. Just wait. Still like 500%, 600% away from its high, right? Scary stuff. Still got a long ways to go. Definitely there's a lot. Yeah, this must be one of the ones tied into it too. Just didn't have a high enough. It didn't have a pull up compared to the other ones as high, which is good. Hopefully there's not a lot. See, this stuff, there's a lot of people that are holding as bags, man, on this stuff. Like a lot of money's tied up into these mean pushes, what they call a mean push. AMC back down again like yesterday. Yeah, it did. It did for sure. I was talking about that this morning on the server. I put that on the server this morning. That it's going to be a buy. When you guys know what I mean by that, right? It's in a buy area, right? So the lower it goes, it's time to load up, right? I could definitely see these numbers going down lower for sure. If they go down to an ultimate low, the Wolfpack knows that that's just eye candy what you're seeing, right? When it goes down low like that, it's giving you a chance to top it into potentially being multi-millionaires. Okay, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about that. We don't know the numbers it's going to go to, but you guys know a majority of us own. We're just adding to our positions all the time, right? Yeah, I did a nice ad about 3 weeks ago. I feel very, very comfortable right now. Yeah, into the 15s. Hey, if it goes down to 14, 15s, I'm loading. Look, wash sale. Okay, sorry, I couldn't, Charlie B, I couldn't read that. Hedges trade back and forth. Yeah. That's right, bro. Yeah, high frequency speed trading. Citadel is set up really good for that. They have floors and floors of it. I've showed it before. I can get some more pictures on that stuff. There's actually a YouTuber that actually has a video out on that. Forget his name. It takes it right into the offices of this stuff. It is crazy. There's like floors and floors of computers that that's all they do, back and forth, and they mess with the algorithms. Yeah, it's crazy stuff. I'd like to see 10, buddy. I'd like to see 8. 8. If it went back down to that's the first chunk of, or no, I bought it 14 and then it tanked down to 8. And I was like, oh my God, what did I get myself into? That was back in the day and we didn't know. There wasn't that much information on this, right? I was back when the first groups of shares came out in the very, very beginning. Um, yeah, that would be awesome.
Alrighty, I'm back. Sorry.
I'm waiting for.
AMC.
I
It
hope it
really
goes
does.
down low. Sorry, my friends, but
It
we're
doesn't
gonna have our
have. It
day.
doesn't have a strong chart. I mean, I know nobody wants to hear that, but
No, they don't. But if it goes
it
down low,
doesn't have a
Jeffrey,
strong
just
chart.
load up, right? Not financial
Yeah, I
advice.
mean, yeah, I'm not selling. I mean, I got too much money in to sell.
Yeah, exactly. And institutions will not be selling at these low prices. They would lose so much money, and money's so hard to come by nowadays. They're not stupid. It's safe. We're in a safe area, and like I said, one day it's gonna rip, and they won't be able to stop it. There's so many people involved in this now. It's freaking insane. Like we're all gonna be
Yeah,
friggin' rich.
yeah. If it can't hold this 1650, I see it going at least. Let's see. The next resistance should be about the 1575, 1550 range. It's yeah, I mean it's if we can't get some buying volume in there, it's not gonna look good for AMC right now.
Yeah, that's right. Cat scat. What's up, man? What's
Like I said,
up?
the next resistance is that 1587.
That's right. That's right.
So
That would if it went down if it went back down $8, that would be the lowest that I think I owe 823, I think is the lowest I own at. And I bought what did I buy? I think I bought
but if you've noticed
130 shares, I think.
anytime it breaks below,
Yeah.
except for back in I think it was like the beginning of March.
Yeah.
And usually anytime it breaks below 16, it gets a lot of buying pressure coming back in.
Oh, for sure it
But
does. It hammers on it, man.
yeah, there's a hard support right there at 16. But
It is. And there's one at 14 too. I remember the 14 level was really hard to get through. It took us weeks to give you remember that, Jeffrey? Around the
yeah, it
14,
was
it took weeks,
yeah.
like 3-4 weeks to get through that. And that's when
No,
Trey
it
was
took it took a
all over
long
that.
time because remember it went up to
Yeah.
like what was that 17 or 18, and then
And
it
then went,
jumped back down to like
yeah,
8 or 9. Then it got to 14, and it just stayed there till like May or June, and then it went back down to 9, and then it went back up to that's when it went up to 72 back in June.
that's right.
But yeah, I mean, like I said, it's just I mean, just the charts don't look good on it. Everything's below the 200 EMA, and they're far below the 200 EMA. So I
Yeah.
mean, it's a bearish chart right now. I mean,
It-
anybody that says uh,
Bullish.
that it's not a bearish chart, they're lying to you.
Yeah, that's right. So, what's your take on the what's your take on the options chain for May or March?
Oh, you're saying the no options may? I mean, who
What's
knows?
your
I mean,
take on it?
like I've said before, is it's like every week or every month something new comes because just they're just impatient and they're trying to make this squeeze happen manually. And I mean, I don't know how you feel about this, but I don't think anything is going to happen until somebody is forced to do something
Recover. Yeah.
like they
Well,
were,
they have to be pressured.
like I said, back in January and back in June. I don't think anything is going to happen. I mean, it might have its small run ups
Yeah,
and
yeah, and then
whatever,
it'll go
but
back down and then back up, and it'll just wave action like this, like it does. It'll sit there and consolidate for a while, and that's what I think. That's just my take on it. I think we're gonna have a lower pull down. Like I said, we are in a market problem right now,
yeah,
worldwide.
and it's not just AMC and GME.
No,
I mean, if you look at the SPY is down $5.50 today alone,
yeah, that's huge.
and it's not even
Noon. It's still
looking to
early.
recover.
No, no,
I
she's
mean,
gonna
who knows?
blink today.
The plunge protection team could come in, but yeah, it's not even looking to recover.
No,
Let me see on the daily where the SPY
excuse
has
me,
some
sorry guys.
support.
Yeah,
It's the next support for the SPY. If it can't hold this, is going to be 430, 431,
yeah.
and then it jumps all the way down to geez, 427 is the next main support. So yeah, if it can't hold this, it's gonna take a run down.
Oh, it's not looking good, man. And that's red as hell. Look at that
And
volume.
who knows, it
Holy
might all be playing out.
plunge team comes in, bang, levels it out, and it might head back up. I doubt it though today. I doubt it. It's
Yeah,
Friday, man.
if you remember back, I don't know if I posted it on the server or what, but at the beginning of April, I said SPY was going to go to 425.
Yeah,
That's just what I saw, and
I think you're pretty friggin' right, man. Well, it's
the
heading that
plunge
way.
protection team, they came in and propped everything up, but it's not looking good right now.
No, it's
The
not.
whole market itself.
That's crazy. That plunge protection team. That's another ball of wax there themselves, eh?
Yeah, it's
Bullshit.
just crazy.
I
Like
can't
boss
believe that.
says, anytime you see that it comes in and says buyer anonymous, we already know who that is. You
Yes,
know
we do.
who's going to bring $50 million worth of buying pressure into
Did
the market?
exactly. Exactly. Yeah, they're just propping it up because this thing will just keep on going down, 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 just like all these other stocks. It'll go down into the like 300, and yeah, that will collapse the economy fast.
Yeah,
Everything will follow it. All these stocks will just go right down, and then that is not good. They're trying to prop it up because they have worldwide investors, right? If they
yeah,
look
and
at this stuff,
just like Tony Denaro said, I mean, everybody was talking about, oh yeah, but if the market tanks, then AMC is going to go up, and it's not the case. I mean, if you take those 2 days that AMC separated from the SPY,
yeah, I remember that.
if you take those 2 days away, it still has a positive beta.
Yeah, yeah, it's
So
probably one of the better stocks out
it'll
there.
go down. It'll go down just like the market. If
Yeah,
the market's going down, it'll
it'll
go
go down.
down faster.
Yeah,
If the market goes up,
it goes up faster.
it'll it'll go up.
Yeah,
But
that's right. It's running with the market. It's not
it's
just
not.
it's a stock squeeze. That's the only thing different with it. It's primed for a stock squeeze. It's the same as any other stock. It's going to ride the waves, right?
Yeah.
Um,
I mean, look at GME is down. I mean,
yeah,
Twitter's up, but it's starting to come down now too.
it is. Holy crow! It's way below the 147. Oh, it's gone down quite a bit since yesterday. Oh yeah, she's creeping slowly. It's losing volume fast. Yeah,
I mean,
it is what it is. Yeah, it is
Twitter
what it
still
is.
has some it's lost its buying pressure, so the buyers are gonna have to step back in if it's gonna jump up. But
I think it's Friday, man. I think we're not going to see anything really positive in any of these stocks like GME and AIMS till Monday or Tuesday next week.
Yeah,
Um,
depending on what the SPY does, um, we'll have to check again back at like
Power
Power
Hour.
Hour,
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
like or usually it's like about an hour to 2 hours after lunch, and then that's when the big buyers come back from playing golf or whatever they do during the day, and they come back in and they're like, oh well, let me see here, what did retail give
Yeah.
us money to take?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Or they'll be like, "Hold that stock's down. Good, that's a buy. I'm buying in. It'll push everything up." Yeah, they're making their deals for the week for next week. They're selling. A lot of people are
Yeah, they're
selling
gonna
their.
come back in. They're gonna come back in, and they're gonna get ready for next week.
That's right. Okay, brother, we're gonna wrap her for the day. Are you cool with that? I know it's
Yeah,
Friday.
no,
We're gonna a
I'm fine.
little. Yeah, we're gonna get off a
It,
little early today.
it's your channel.
No, it's all
Like
good. No, no, no. I know you're
I
working.
said, I just
Go ahead.
it's cool to come on here and if anybody gets anything from my mumblings and whatever, maybe I help somebody out. But
You are. Everybody respects you highly on the channel here, and you're giving back, and that's all that matters. That's all that I do is just try to give back what I can, right? And that's all we can do. We're
yeah,
just people. We're just people, man, right? So, it is what it is, and I appreciate everything that you're doing on the server constantly. You're very active on there. And yeah, we got some things in the works. And this afternoon we have Veterans Day. Okay, so we're gonna have a veteran on that's gonna be talking about some stuff. It's a little kind of a surprise visit. I'll be making the thumbnail up in a little bit here, and I just wanted to just say that yeah, come on and stop in. He's gonna be talking about some cool stuff. And yeah, it's something. This is our premier event for that, and we're going to probably have some more of that stuff coming in. And I just
yeah,
wanted to, we're heading into the next month or so. And yeah, I just, it's just something that we're doing. We just want to give back to a lot of people that let them voices get heard. Okay.
yeah.
So, anyways,
Well, I mean, if anybody's looking at a anything, I mean, I would watch Twitter today just because of the whole Elon news and everything.
mhm. Where is it? Where is
It,
it? There. Oh yeah, it's going
I
up
mean,
quite a
it could,
bit.
yeah,
Holy crow.
it could still go. It's about 30 cents off its intraday high, and if it breaks that, it'll
Then it's going to
shoot.
go. Yeah. Show rip. It could turn into a rip. I call anything over 10% a rip, right? So it's not far off. It's already halfway there. So, but anyways, we're going to be back on Power Hour. What I'm going to do is smash in some stocks um, for about almost an hour, 45 minutes, and then we're going to bring our vet on, and we're going to let him talk into closing market. He is a
Okay.
stock trader. What's that?
Oh no, I said
Oh,
okay.
Oh, okay. Sorry, buddy. I got echo feedback on here a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna wrap this. And Wolfpack, I love you lots. And I'll see you I'll see you around 12 o'clock, and we'll go from there. And we'll get you guys set up all for the weekend. Okay. Peace.